Okay, folks, just trying to get this studio set up. Take that headset off for a second. See what I can do. Got my flag. It is November 5th, voting day, and I'm hoping to set my studio up just right. I got to get some better background, some better lighting. That side lighting's too close for this camera, but I don't plan on using this camera anyway. So we'll see how it goes. Trying to get away from the politics again. I'm hoping elections can turn out nice and everybody can settle down a little bit. I don't have a good feeling about what's going to happen, but I'd sure like to not have to go through this stress any longer.